How to watch YouTube private videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can watch YouTube private videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically watch private videos on YouTube, it depends upon what you are first of all talking about. Now what happens here is that maybe a creator that you subscribe to uploaded something, so when you go to the notifications tab you get the notification, but when you tap on that particular video it says that the creator has made the video private or that video has been made private. Now in this case there's actually nothing that we can do because this is coming from the creator side. The creator who uploaded the video chose to make it private, so nobody has access to it. So the only thing you can do is either wait until the creator makes it public, or you can just go to them and try to contact them if you'd like, and then just give them a reason as to why you want to watch that video. Now if you are talking about your own private videos on YouTube, you have to actually download the YouTube Studio application here. Then if there is any sort of videos that you have made private, you can select them from the content tab and then you can just go ahead and then try to check them. That's all it takes to watch private videos. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.